India, a land of vibrant hues, intoxicating aromas, and ancient whispers carried on the breeze. A civilization as old as time itself, where spirituality and modernity dance in a harmonious embrace. From the snow-capped Himalayas to the sun-kissed beaches of Goa, India is a symphony for the senses, a tapestry woven with threads of history, culture, and adventure. India's architectural wonders stand as testaments to its rich history and artistic brilliance. The Taj Mahal, an ivory-white mausoleum bathed in the golden glow of dawn, is a poignant testament to love and loss. Each intricate detail, from the delicate marble screens to the calligraphy adorning its walls, speaks of a bygone era. Venture beyond the Taj, and you'll find ancient temples that have borne witness to centuries of faith. The towering gopurams of South Indian temples, adorned with intricate carvings of deities and mythical creatures, are a sight to behold. These sacred spaces are not merely places of worship, they are repositories of art, history, and spiritual energy. India's natural beauty is as diverse as its culture. The Himalayas, crowned with snow and shrouded in mist, stand as silent sentinels in the north. Trekking through these majestic mountains, you'll encounter gushing rivers, emerald green valleys, and a sense of serenity that washes over the soul. For those seeking sun and sand, the beaches of Goa beckon. Golden shores fringed with swaying palm trees and the azure waters of the Arabian Sea offer the perfect escape. Whether you're looking to soak up the sun, indulge in water sports, or simply relax and rejuvenate, Goa's beaches have something for everyone. India's cities are a microcosm of its vibrant tapestry, where the ancient and modern coexist in a fascinating juxtaposition. Delhi, the capital city, is a melting pot of cultures and history. Explore the bustling bazaars of Old Delhi, where the air is thick with the scent of spices and the sounds of vendors hawking their wares. Mumbai, the city of dreams, pulsates with an infectious energy. From the colonial-era architecture of South Mumbai to the Bollywood studios of Andheri, the city is a fusion of tradition and modernity. Whether you're catching a cricket match at Wankhede Stadium or exploring the art galleries of Kala Ghoda, Mumbai is an experience unlike any other.